take a microphone.
Yeah, that's your microphone. Sing.
A, B, C. This is O.
O.
F.
S.
If she's got
G.
C.
I.
and other kids.
And the O.
Guys, ito.
You like that?
Ano pala to siya? Pampaganda. Happy Monday, everyone! Ito talaga ang unang pinakita sa video, no? I'm very happy lang kasi tingnan nyo, oh, ang ating plant, may bago siyang leaf. Ayan, very fresh. And ang aking friendship pala, sabi niya sa akin, kasi nanonood siya ng video ko, hi Ate Ana, sabi niya sa akin na ikat ko daw yung mga parang nasunog na part para hindi daw matakdan ba ang ibang leaf. Kaya kinat ko, ayan, tingnan nyo, oh. Pahak-pahak na siya. But I'm very happy kasi meron pa, dalawa silang nag-open na. Anyways, alauna na pala siya, guys. And magla-lunch break kami ng ating family kasi ang ating baby girl ay nasa bahay ngayon. Walang childcare. Oh, mahangin siya. Hi, Nak. Good afternoon, Nak. Hala, you opened the garage, Nak. Wala, fun. Ito pala ang resulta ng ating hair treatment from last night, guys. Oh, sobrang soft niya talaga kagabi. Hindi ko mapigilang mag-touch-touch ng aking hair kagabi pa. Sobrang soft niya. Anyways, we are on our way to the shops now. And tingnan nyo, naka-jacket kami si Daddy Mike. Naka-jacket, naka-jeans. Kasi, ganito talaga yung weather namin sa Melbourne. Like, bipolar ba? So kahapon ba yun? The weekend. Basta sa weekend. Naka-shorts lang ako. Pati si Daddy Mike, as always, naka-shorts yan siya. Tapos naka-sleeveless. Kasi warm siya, 26 and 24 degrees yata. Tapos today, balik na naman kami sa 18 today. And ngayon lang lumabas yung araw. Kanina very cloudy, but we are expecting rain this afternoon. And for the rest of the week, oh my god. So for the rest of the week, it shows that uulan and maximum 14 degrees. So, yeah. Ganyan dito guys sa Melbourne. Uy, makabuang ang panahon. While we're going to the shops, dala ko yung isang damit ni Paris. Yung old dress niya. Binenta ko siya sa eBay. Kaya, pupunta tayo ng post office para i-post. Hi, Nak! What are you having? So, while we're walking, sa atin yung i-export ng video from Imovie para ma-upload na natin, guys. Unfortunately, tingnan nyo, kita nyo ba, guys? Hindi naman siguro kita. Uy, may error message, guys. Ayan, so hindi siya mag-save sa phone ko. Kanina ko pa to tinry talaga. I think it's pang-limang pagkakataon na tong i-try ko na i-export sa phone ko. And ayaw talaga, guys. And it's, tingnan yung oras. Oh, it's nearly 1:40. Ay, baka hindi tayo makapag-upload today, guys. Uy. Yes, we just received something, guys.
Have a look.
And is it for Paris?
Have a look.
Oh!
That's for Paris.
It is for Paris.
Oh!
Wow! How many books you've got there, honey?
1, 2.
2.
What books are they?
Wow! Did you say thank you, Daddy?
Come, Caro, Daddy? Are they books for Paris?
Wow! 4 books from Daddy.
Bears in a band?
Say thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
That's a big book.
That book? What's that book? Turn it around. This one. What's this book?
This book.
Oh, nice one.
Come on, let's have to read the book.
Man gave names to all the animals.
Now press Windy.
What's that one? Bears in a band. Cat and dog. And the other one is, that's not funny, bunny. Huh,
No,
this one not-
mommy, no.
That's not funny, bunny.
I think Paris. Do you think Paris gonna like these books, Mummy?
Yes.
First, get it done.
Which one would you like to read tonight, honey?
An apple one.
That one?
Oh, animal. Give to Daddy. Come on.
Animal one. Okay, we'll read that tonight, okay?
This one, this worm.
That's a what?
This is a worm.
No, look. That's the bird. See?
That's a birdie. Paris.
And what about this one?
This one, this is tiger.
No, it's a leopard.
Is that Bill?
And do you know what this one is?
This is a donkey.
Donkey. That's right.
This is a donkey.
How the hell did you know that?
This is not a donkey.
That's a donkey.
So marami kaming parcels na natanggap today, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. May natanggap din si Daddy Mike. Meron ding natanggap si Mami niyo. Hindi magpapahuli.
The books.
Oh, that was quick, Bob.
Yeah, that's what I said. Monday. I ordered on Friday and got it today.
Yeah. That's it. Have a look, guys. Ito ang binili ni Daddy Mike shorts. Ready na siya sa summer. Nice. Like this one. Ako pala yung pinapili niya nito, guys. Last Friday niya to binili. Pinakita niya sa akin kung gusto ko ba.
Would I be the longest shorts that I have?
Yeah. Very strange, guys, no? Na bumili si Daddy Mike ng ganito kahaba. Normally, hanggang dito lang ba, oh, sa igot-igot. Oh. Yeah, this was nice. I like that. It's not too thick. It's not too thin.
So you like a thick?
Yeah.
Oh.
Of course, I like it thick. Tingnan niyo, guys. Color tae.
Not that
Very yellow.
It's yellow.
It's color tae. It's yellow.
Yeah, I thought it was brown. What are you doing? What are you pouring? What are you pouring?
You're constipated then if it's brown. It's another one. Oh, another pants.
You like it?
I like this one. Yeah. Oh, I like this one. Khaki color. That's Daddy's nap. Ito palang kay Mami, guys. Ito.
You like that?
Ano pala to siya? Pampaganda.
Wow.
Yes, Pampaganda. I bought this one sometime last week. And alam niyo yung dahilan kung bakit nakabili ako ng ganito. Hindi ko pala to alam siya before, guys. Yung Ate Walin ko kasi from Bendigo. Hello, Te, if you're watching. Nag-message kami sa tawag dito sa Facebook Messenger. Tapos, sinare niya sa akin na ito daw yung gamit niya ngayon na yung mukha niya, mapula-pula ang kanyang mukha. Parang ano lang ba? Parang fresh na fresh. 17 lang. Parang ganon. So, sabi ko, anong gamit mo ngayon? And she mentioned na yung gamit daw niya ngayon is this. Ding, ding, ding. It's good kasi nakapackage siya ng mabuti talaga so hindi siya ma-broken. So, this is what I bought, mga peeps. Gaganda na kaya ako nito, guys. This is Beauty Derm. Ayan. So, nung nagkausap kami ni Ate Wallen last week, first time ko talaga itong narinig yung Beauty Derm. Mahirap kasing makabili ng mga ganito dito sa Australia, guys. Buti na lang, meron silang online store. And if ever nasa Australia kayo at gusto nyong mag-try nito, you can buy it from, website nila is allurebybeautyderm.com. Ayan. Tapos may Instagram din sila, which is Beautyderm Australia. Allure by Beautyderm Australia. Ayan. I bought this one for 93 Australian dollars kasi nakasale to siya. Sabi dito, limited offer from September 1 to 15, 2020. So, kaya nga binili ko to noong last week nga and then dumating today. I'm not too sure kung magkano tong sabon guys, but binili ko to siya ng extra kasi sa website kasi nila, free shipping kapag bumili ka ng more than $100. Kaya yung binili ko, since this one is $93, binili ko to siya, I don't know, basta more than $100 guys. Kaya free shipping to silang.
Mommy?
Yes, honey.
Boo-boo.
Is that for Paris's boo-boo? Show the tita, B. For Paris's boo-boo. Show
No,
tita.
I got that.
Boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
That's for Paris's boo-boo.
This is really definitely.
I'm very excited to try out this one, guys. Kasi nga, yung problema ko kasi sa Festlock ko is, itong mga, ano siya ba, ang tawag dito, may melasma kasi ako, guys, yung mga pigmentations. This is soap, anak. This soap is very strong. Yeah, I can't open that one, okay? I'm so sorry. So, I'll see if this one will work for me, guys. Kasi, sobrang dami ko nang na-try before, guys, para sa aking mukha. Para lang talaga mawala tong melasma na nasa mukha ko. Luckily, yung aking mukha naman, I'm not prone to pimples. So, minsan lang ako nagkakapimple kapag may dalaw lang sa atin nyo, ganun. Pero, pag normal days naman, wala akong pimples, guys. Which I'm happy about. Pero yung problema ko lang talaga is yung mga melasma ko. I'm not too sure kung klaro ba siya. Tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. May dark. Dito, especially dito. And, lumabas lang talaga to siya nung nabuntis ako kay Paris. And yun nga sabi nila, hormonal pigmentations, ganun. But I'm really hoping na makakatulong to sa akin katulad ng pag-work niya kay Ate Wallen. Kasi yung face talaga ni Ate Wallen, guys, parang kumukuti-kuti-tap, kumikintab talaga. Wow! Floor wax lang. Yes, honey. So, I am praying and hoping na ito na talaga yung makakatulong sa akin. Kasi, I don't know if napanood niyo yung video ko before na I've done skin needling on my face. It was actually painful, guys. Yes, I paid hundreds of dollars, guys, para sa skin needling na yun. I've done it twice and I can see the difference. Nakikita ko naman talaga na meron talagang maliit na pagbabago, but it's not yung anong tawag dun, yung parang super talaga na changes sa aking mukha. Dito, before ako nag-skin needling, sobrang ano talaga, sobrang sandcastle. Wow! Well done! Ayan, sobrang, ayan, oh, meron, oh, mga dito ba, oh. May mga patchy-patchy na area dyan. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung laman ng set, guys. This one is actually good for 1 month lang daw, ang sabi. Ang laman ng set na yon ay meron siyang night cream 1, night cream 2, and then night cream 3. Hala, ang daming night cream. Uy! Kita ba, guys? Ayan. And then, meron tayong day cream. Ayan. And then, meron ding toner sa loob. Pero maliit lang siya, guys. Good for 1 month lang daw talaga. And then, give me the sabon, nakbi. Ay, ito, sabon. Ito na lang kasi the same lang naman nung extra na binili ko. So, that's what they call Pampaganda. Ayan, o, oh, diba? So, I can't wait to give this a try, guys. And sana mag-work talaga sa akin. Nag-vlog naman ako everyday, guys. So, makikita nyo talaga yung, ang tawag dito, yung progress ng aking mukha gamit ito. I'll probably do a review after 2 weeks and see kung may pagbabago ba sa aking mukha. And I'm really hoping na hiyang siya sa akin, guys. Kasi, you know, I paid for this, kaya I'm hoping na it will work for me. Kayo, guys, sa mga nakagamit na pala ng Beauty Derm, can you please let me know kung ano yung experience nyo, kung maganda ba siya sa inyo? Kasi I heard a lot of things about it. And mostly, magaganda yung experiences na naririnig ko. So, sana maging makinis na tayo after ng paggamit nito, no? So, nung gumamit ako ng Fairy Skin, guys, na pink, nag-work talaga siya sa skin ko kasi na-notice ko na clear talaga siya at parang nanghihinayang ako pag nilalagyan ko ng foundation or powder yung aking mukha. Kasi sobrang clear ng aking skin. But then, unfortunately, kasi dito sa Australia, mahirap silang bilhin. Kaya nag-stop ako. And I think ito yung mga bagay na mahirap i-stop, guys. Kasi kailangan mo talagang i-maintain. Pag hindi mo maintain, yun, babalik at babalik din. Kaya I think yun yung nangyari sa mukha ko. Naging clear lang siya pag naglalagay ako nung yung Fairy Skin. So, hopefully, this Beauty Derm, ayan, hopefully, work for me, ha? Hanyo, good ba, hanyo? Hi, guys, it's now 7 o'clock, and alam nyo, kakatapos lang namin mag-live. So, thank you pala sa mga sumama sa amin sa live. Thank you very much. Ang ating baby girl, ayan pa rin, hindi pa natapos sa kanyang singing session.
And the daddy falling me. Eating very well. No.
Hala, nasa mood talaga siya tonight ba?
No.
Nak, wala ba dyan ka na humanak? Nak, hindi ka pa rin natapos. What happened?
I will take a microphone.
Yeah, that's your microphone. Sing.
A, B, C. What is the baby? Good bad go. There is a bad go. Where can these go? Where is my house? What house in... I put the house in her.
Do you have hiccup na? Huh? Mama will sing me.
She...
Incy, wincy.
Father found the highway. Out. No, this is O.
O.
S.
S.
If she's got
G.
C.
I.
and other kids.
And the O.
Oh, yay! Good job!
Yeah.
Very noisy gihapon, guys. Come on, nak.
Mama.
Mag-eat na tanak ta.
Daddy.
Ito, guys, gagamitin ko siya tonight ba? First time. I'll show you, guys. Mamaya. Meron tayong broccoli, guys.
One settled or...
And then,
Dependent.
fish pala. I think nilagay ni Daddy sa oven.
Whereas this one,
And
she's
si Daddy ay very noisy kasi kausap niya yung mami niya.
free. She's free.
Yan, it's cooking. Okay, basa. Give it to Mommy, be.
This is mine.
Ikaw ba? Give it to Mommy, be.
This is my one.
Give it to Mommy.
No. It's my one.
It's not yours. Hala, police. Paris naughty. Paris naughty.
No.
Give it to Mommy, be.
This is my one.
It's working. Paris had a shower with Daddy. Wow, Paris is fresh.
Put the bucket there. I put the bucket.
Put it what?
I put the bucket there.
Put it back.
And the bucket.
Come on, which book are we reading tonight, honey? Choose B. Which one? That's not funny, Bunny. Or this. What's this one now?
It's the baby.
Yeah. Which one are we reading, B? Kanina lang na kani.
This one. This one.
This one. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
First,
what is this?
what is that?
It's Marco. Me, tiger. It's nine tiger, mommy.
What is it?
Look at me.
Look at me. Have a look at your hair. So long.
I'm with face. Eyes.
Like that.
Mommy.
There you go. It's better? Come on, let's read the book na. Hey, Josh! Ay, lagi paglaway-laway ba? Come on, let's read the book.
Mommy's an animal book.
Which one? This one. Animal book.
What is this?
What's that?
It's a nine tiger.
Tiger.
It's not tiger.
What's this one?
It's rainbow.
A what?
Rainbow. Rainbow, mommy.
What is that?
It's rainbow. What?
It's a parrot.
It's parrot. This is better. This is what is this?
That's a birdie.
It's not a baby. This is a baby.
That's a bird. They're all the same. They're all birds. How many birds? Count, B?
One. This is not a baby. This is an eagle. One eagle, two eagle, one.
Three.
Eagle.
Yay! Good job.
Three eagle.
Yes. What's next?
It's a big pig, big one pig.
Oh, it's a pig. A
Pig.
big pig.
This guy Mandy. This guy Mandy there.
Yeah.
It's a car pink. It's a car pink.
Pink.
A pink. It's a pink.
Lalo siya ihonghong. Okay. Is it pink?
This is my sister's carrot.
Okay, alright. Okay. It's just between you and me.
My secret.
Okay. I love you, anak. Anak. Well, what's next, Nabi? What is this?
This is a birdie.
Birdie.
A pig.
A pig.
An eagle.
Eagle.
And 3 more eagles.
Oh.
This is a chibi chicken.
Chicken.
Look at the goat.
It's a goat.
It's an owl.
Owl, that's right.
This is an owl.
What's this one?
Tiger.
Oh, well done.
This is not a tiger. This is not a tiger.
It's not a tiger. What is it then?
It's a tiger.
Oh, it's a tiger.
This is a seahorse. It's not a seahorse.
It's not a seahorse, my love.
This is a birdie.
It's a birdie. What's next?
This one is a rabbit. She's a bike.
Yeah.
It's a goat.
It's a goat.
The big one.
It's a goat. What's this one?
This is a birdie.
A birdie.
This one is a lot of snakes.
What's that?
This is a fish.
It's a fish.
This is not a fish.
What's this one?
This is my snake.
A snake.
Because the snake.
It's not a snake. Okay. Okay.
Look at the big
Oh, what's this? This one.
It's a butterfly.
Butterfly.
This is like.
Snake. Scary snake.
This is my phone got for a big fish.
Oh, fish.
This is a very big one.
Yeah. Do you like the book Daddy bought you, Nak?
Then that got big box.
Yeah. Did you say thank you to Daddy for buying you the books?
This book with this fish.
Say thank you, Daddy! Dito tayo ngayon sa ating bathroom kasi itatry na natin yung ating beauty derm. Ayan, for the first time in the history. Ang baby girl natin ay, kung maririnig nyo, nasa kwarto. And magbabasa sila ng libro ng kanyang daddy. And now, mag-start na ako guys kasi nabasa ko pala, asa ko yung papel, uy. Nabasa ko kanina na yung mga night cream pala, interval daw siya ng every 5 minutes. Halak ka. So you need a lot of time talaga guys, no? Para magpaganda. Sobra talaga magpaganda. Kailangan talaga, maglaan ka talaga ng oras. So ito yung night cream 1. So ilalagay na to siya sa skin. Tapos hintay ka ng 5 minutes bago mo ilagay yung 2. And then another 5 minutes. Tapos ilagay mo yung 3. Okay. So, nakasabi doon guys sa, ang tawag dito, sa manual. Manual ba? Manual. Na kailangan daw i-wash mo muna yung face gamit yung kahit ano na facial wash. Ayan. So, ito yung gamit ko guys. Avida. Ayan. And then, I need to take off my glasses. Hindi ko kayo makita guys. Anyways, okay. So, hala, na-excite talaga ako ba? Pakita ko sa inyo yung before, guys, para sabay natin malaman kung nag-work ba talaga yung power ng beauty derm sa aking skin. Okay. Sabi din na yung sabon, yung papain, hindi daw ibababad sa mukha kasi strong ba, so baka humapdi. So yung na lang, ito pala yung gamit ko guys, yung nagba-vibrate for you Luna Mini. Ayan, pang massage lang ganyan sa mukha. And then after nito, after mag-cleanse, then, lagay tayo ng sabon. Hala, kailangan natin ikat yung sabon, no? Para hindi siya madaling matunaw ba? Ikakat ko muna. Ito yung sabon. Parang kujik lang, no? Ganito naman talaga yung mukha ng mga, papaya. Papaya ng mga sabon. Maybe, ganito lang muna kalaki. So, ito lang yung kinat ko, guys. Ganyan lang siya kalaki. I-testing ko kung mabilis pa siya matunaw o hindi. Pero, ito ang ating before. Tingnan nyo, guys, ng mabuti. So, ang mga buti-buti. Marami talaga akong mga imperfections, guys. Ganito, oh. Nalighten siya ng konti dahil doon sa skin needling na ginawa ko twice. Ayan. Pero ito yung mga kailangan nating ipaalis sa ating mukha. Dito. So, let's start with this one. Yung ating mag-ama ay nagbabasa na pala ng libro. Maririnig nyo sa background. So, ayan guys. Sabon pa lang yun guys ha. I feel na parang mainat siya guys. Yung skin toner, ayan, sealed for your protection. Naka-sealed talaga siya guys. And this one is only 60 ml. Ayan. Hala, ito siguro yung pinaka-powerful, no? Ito talaga yung nakakapagpasinaw. So, i-dab lang daw, guys, sa skin. Ganyan. So, it's now 10:30 ng gabi, guys. Ang pasensya na hindi ko natapos yung pag-film ko kung paano ko nilagay sa aking kamukhaan. Kasi ang ating memory card ay nag-full na naman. So, I had to transfer all the video, not all, ibang mga videos sa aking phone dito para ma-delete ko na yung video sa ating camera at ma-film ko na tong end ng ating video. Ang ating baby girl pala ay nakatulog na. I think... So, kanina, nagbabasa lang sila ng libro ng daddy niya. And I think she fell asleep kasi hindi ko na narinig yung boses niya. Which I find very interesting. Kasi si Paris, normally, pag natutulog yan siya, gusto niya na nakikita niya ako. But this time, natulog siya with her dad. So, I find it really sweet, guys. Sobrang sweet lang nila. Kaya, pinabayaan ko na lang muna sila kanina kasi gusto kong i-ano yung bonding ng mag-ama. And I'm very happy na yun bang kahit wala ako doon ay nakakatulog si Paris. So, it just means that she's got that trust na I'm just around the house at hindi ko siya iiwan. I-end na natin yung vlog natin dito kasi as mentioned, it's now 10:30. And today pala, hindi kami nakapag-upload ng video kasi nga sa error message na lumalabas kanina sa Imovie. So, instead, nag-live kami ni Paris para naman connected pa rin tayo kahit na hindi kami nakapag-upload today. So, yung gagawin ko after nito is I'll stay up late tonight kasi kailangan kong i-figure out kung anong problema ng video na yun. Hindi ako matutulog hanggang sa hindi siya ma-export sa aking phone para make sure na talaga na bukas ay may upload tayo. Kaya pasensya na talaga for today guys, wala tayong upload. But I'll make sure na tomorrow meron na. Thank you sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. Welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. And sana na-i-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And I'm hoping na you will stay in our channel for good. Magsha-shoutout na tayo. And the first shoutout goes to Cain Bernales, shout out to Glady Mandanhuyan, shout out daw din sa kanyang family, shout out to Rosana Mansueto, Viviel Elerio, Chari Salazar, Bernadette Escocio, Thelma Estor, Daya Magallanes, Rosana Hidalgo, Cherry Ramos and family, Rebecca Balingit, Maribel Patiag, Rosalie Ripatacodo, Queen Survivor TV, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reid, Mami Rose Sabalye, Cherry May Ongayo, Catherine Villegas, Adya, Bernadette Elmido, Ligaya Palma, Be Smart Hair Care Services /Guy Enriquez, Mamshi Nim de Casa Hill Dex 24, and to Cynthia Granadil. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!